Welcome to SAR 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're here to share creative DIY ideas and home decor tips. If you love crafting and decorating, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications for more inspiring tutorials. Let's create beautiful spaces together. Prune and clear fallen leaves to keep your garden tidy. Proper maintenance ensures your garden remains attractive, functional, and inviting in every season. Today, we're excited to share an inspiring DIY project, creating your very own handmade wood plant holder box. Perfect for adding a rustic, natural touch to your home or garden. This project combines craftsmanship with a love for plants. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking to try something new, this guide will walk you through the steps to craft a beautiful, functional, and eco-friendly plant holder. Using simple materials like reclaimed or new wood, nails, and some basic tools, you can create a stunning piece that showcases your style and love for nature. The process not only enhances your crafting skills but also results in a unique decor item that elevates your living space. So, gather your materials, and let's dive into the world of woodworking and plant decor. Designing your wood plant holder box is an exciting step that allows you to customize according to your style and needs. Decide on the dimensions, how wide, tall, and deep your box should be, based on the type of plants you want to display. Consider incorporating drainage holes in the bottom to prevent water accumulation, which is vital for plant health. You might also want to add handles or decorative accents like carved details or painted patterns. Sketch your design on paper, including joints and any additional features like shelves or compartments. Think about the overall aesthetic. Do you prefer a sleek modern look or a more rustic, weathered appearance? Once your design is finalized, measure and cut your wood pieces accordingly. Remember, precise measurements and cuts ensure your assembly will be smooth and sturdy. Healthy plants require proper drainage, so incorporating drainage holes is essential. Drill small holes in the bottom of your planter box, spaced evenly to allow excess water to escape. This prevents waterlogging and root rot, ensuring your plants remain healthy. If your design includes multiple compartments or sections for different plants, ensure each has adequate drainage. You may also want to line the interior with landscape fabric to prevent soil from washing out, while maintaining good drainage. Adding a layer of gravel or small stones at the bottom of each compartment can further improve water flow. When filling your planter with soil, choose a high-quality potting mix suitable for your specific plants. Remember to water your plants appropriately, observing their needs and adjusting as necessary. Proper drainage and soil management are key to thriving plants in your handmade planter. Choosing the right plants for your wood planter box can elevate your decor and create a thriving mini garden. Select plants based on their sunlight, water, and space requirements. For example, succulents and cacti thrive in bright, dry environments, while ferns and pothos prefer shaded, moist conditions. Consider arranging taller plants at the back or center and shorter ones at the edges for visual balance. Think about seasonal interest. Adding flowering plants or foliage with vibrant colors can make your planter a focal point. Mix and match textures and colors for a dynamic display. When planting, gently loosen the roots and fill the compartments with soil, ensuring proper depth. Water your plants thoroughly after planting, and place your planter in an ideal location based on their needs. Regular care will keep your handmade planter looking beautiful and thriving. Your handcrafted wood plant holder box will require some maintenance to keep it looking its best and supporting healthy plants. Regularly check for signs of wear or damage, such as splinters, loose joints, or peeling paint. Sand and touch up any rough spots and reapply protective finishes as needed, especially if exposed to outdoor elements. Water your plants consistently, observing their specific needs, and ensure excess water drains properly. Fertilize periodically with suitable plant nutrients to promote growth. Clear out dead or yellowing leaves to maintain a tidy appearance. If your planter is outdoors, consider covering it during harsh weather to prolong its lifespan. Periodic cleaning and inspection will help you catch any issues early, ensuring your planter remains a beautiful and functional centerpiece in your home or garden. Once you master the basic hand wood plant holder box, you can explore various creative variations to personalize your decor further. Add decorative handles or carved embellishments for a more rustic or artistic look. Incorporate a built-in trellis or support for climbing plants. Experiment with different finishes, whitewashing, distressing, or adding colorful accents to match your interior or garden aesthetic. For a more eco-friendly approach, use recycled wood or incorporate natural elements like stones or shells. You could also attach small plant labels or chalkboard surfaces for labeling different plants. Customizing your planter box to reflect your style allows you to create a truly unique piece that becomes a conversation starter and a reflection of your personality and love for nature. Creating your own hand wood plant holder box is more than just a DIY project. It's a chance to express your creativity, connect with nature, and improve your living space. Each piece you craft is unique, showcasing your craftsmanship and personal style. Whether placed indoors to add warmth and charm or outdoors as part of your garden, your handmade planter will bring joy and greenery into your life. Remember, the process of building and customizing your planter is as rewarding as the finished product. So don't be afraid to experiment, try new finishes, or incorporate different plants. Share your creations with friends and family, and inspire others to take on their own woodworking projects. Happy crafting, and may your DIY journey be filled with beauty and satisfaction. Thank you for watching SAR 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more creative ideas. Stay inspired and happy crafting.